Well, you can't have Spotlight on Branson without spotlights, and I am joined by Larry Wilhite in one of the most beautiful theaters in the city. Good morning, Larry.
Good morning, and thank you for that.
Absolutely. Well, this is a building that previously was known as the Mansion, and even though you're keeping that in the title, I understand you've changed the name slightly. So
Yes.
Let's start right there.
Yes, we have. We are changing the name, the Mansion Theater for the Performing Arts. So we have a little different direction in where we're going from where we have been. We're wanting to use the theater more for its full capacity and capability. We've done several shows in the past of just concert shows, comedic shows, different entertainers. We've even had production shows in, but we are blessed and honored to be a part of the Disney family and allowed to bring Disney productions to our stage.
Oh, that's fantastic. So when you talk about performing arts, when you talk about some of those things, it's really about expanding the culture, correct?
Correct. Yes, we are looking to expand more, be more diversified in what we bring to the area. Now, we are still keeping our roots as far as some of the things that we brought, the legendary Oak Ridge Boys, Johnny Mathis with the symphony, and different entertainers in that realm, but we're pushing the envelope a little bit and bringing in more of the Broadway, obviously Disney, and some more things that we'll be announcing not too late or not too far in the future. So they need to keep on the website and keep looking, because we have a lot of new announcements coming, some Broadway productions and different things that we'll be putting on our stage.
And as you mentioned earlier, there's some things in this facility that you can't find other places in Branson. So tell me, when somebody comes here, for those who haven't been here before, what can somebody expect?
Well, first of all, we seat 3,000. So you can have all the room you want, or you can sit right next to somebody. But our stage is very massive in the ability to do a big production. The sound and lights, we think, is some of the best in the area. And so we try to put our best foot forward to honor our guests and the productions on the stage.
Awesome. Well, Larry, thank you so much. Make sure you check out their website, and that address again is?
Our website is themansiontheater.com.
So you can see everything that they have, and make sure you check out the Mansion of the Performing Arts when you're in Branson.
Within the